Ma'am, are you talking something? You are on mute.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you because I was talking. I didn't take that.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you for that. Okay, fine. Make your friends to others. Please make your friends to join. Just after a long time, you are meeting. First, we gave opportunity to your batch itself. So make sure that your friends to join immediately. So let us start this alumni meet. Good morning, all. Welcome to the first virtual alumni meet of SRITW. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome among us the alumni of this institution. Not only it is the moment of happiness for us, but also an opportunity to reflect on our learnings and achievements. Our alumni has established themselves as a successful individual in almost every field of their lives. I think everyone remembered their first day of their college. While talking about your college days, I think most of you remembered the joy time and bang time of your classes. And some of you love to read in libraries, but most of you still spend a lot of time in labs, in clubs, and most of in our cultural activities. Is that right? Today, let us all open the windows of our mind and keep a deep breath and venture our into the dreams of life and happiness. Let us spend a memorable time with us and alumni. Now I'm going to share a small PPTs of our achievements of the college. So, because 1 year you are not with us, so it's our responsibility to share the achievements of our college. So, are you able to see my screen, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
yeah, yes.
So, welcome, my dear alumni. Just a moment. Just a moment. Actually, the slide is not shifting. Okay, fine. Now, like it's the time to share the achievements of our college SRITW. So recently we introduced three new courses, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science and cyber security. And as you know that our key differentiator which differentiate us from other colleges, mainly we got MBA accreditation for 3 years for EC and CSC programs. And as you know that we have with Newgen IDC Center, which is approved by government, that is funded by New Delhi of government, and it is 2.8 crores. And SRITW is one of the 26 institutes selected as a center under Newgen IDC Center among the premium institutions like IITs and NITs. So this is our Newgen IDC Center, and we got approved with TBI, Technology Business Incubator. We are proud to be the first women's engineering college in the Telangana to launch Technology Business Incubator. And the primary objective of TBI is to create new jobs and reduce unemployment. This is the workspace, makerspace where the project students are doing their projects. And our two teams participated, and they are shortlisted for the SIS Smart India Hackathon 2020 Grand Finals. And we organizes two conferences, that is International Conference on Recent Advancement in the Engineering Management and International Conference on Science Research and Engineering Technology. And we published 293 papers in this present COVID situation also, and still few papers are coming soon. And we organize four workshops, that is two 4 week women's entrepreneur development program and two 6 weeks technology entrepreneur program, which is sponsored by DST government. And coming to the placements of 2021, in this pandemic situation, COVID-19 situation also, we got good placements, and we got good placement records also. And from second year itself, we are focusing the students mainly on eBox platform, which integrate the coding language like C, C++, Java, and everything, so that they will be ready with industrial stuff. and many students placed in Infosys, TCS, DXC, and many more companies. And we not only focus on the placements, we are focusing on internship too. And many of our students placed in many internships also. And coming to the results of our academics, we got highest pass percentage result, that is 80% for our first years. So these are the few achievements which we recently achieved and few are upcoming soon. So now it's the time to share your views. So my dear alumni, please unmute yourself, any one of you, and interact with us, like presently, like what you're doing and what is the working status, where you are staying, and how much you are missing the college maybe. So Shivani, ready? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, respected ma'am who are in the meeting, as well as Shashi sir. So first of all, I'm missing very much my college because we are the one batch who didn't enjoyed our last year, final year actually.
Yeah.
That is signature day, farewell, all things. Only we the one batch who didn't enjoy all this. So we are so disappointed in that. Coming to my experience regarding college, I learned lot of things from college. First thing, so starting from first year, um, starting day of my college gives me a lot. First thing, um, it gave me much experience in introducing myself to everyone. So this college gave me many more things like participating in many things like encouraging the students are first thing. Those who are proactive, uh, uh, they are encouraging all the people who are proactive. And regarding placements also, they gave nice placements in summer as well. We got trained to aptitude as well in summer as well, and we have participated in hackathons. So these gives us a lot of information to share among all the people. um, so now I am working in Tech Mahindra. This is on behalf of all the SRITW, where I gain knowledge from the SRITW. Thank you for SRITW. Thank you, Rajeshri ma'am. And thank you all the staff as well. Thank you so much for this opportunity. At least we are interacting in this way. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Yeah, Shivani, thank you so much. And all the best for your career. As you said, you missed a lot of things because of this pandemic situation. That's why Principal Madam said, first we'll take this batch initiation as alumni meet because they missed a lot. So that at least a bit, one person also you can gain something by this alumni meet. By seeing your friends, you can enjoy.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, Rajeshri ma'am, and thank you, everyone.
Yeah, I want next. Please participate, my dear alumni. Can you make your videos on so that this alumni meet will be an interesting part? Mansi, can you share your views?
Oh, yeah, ma'am. Hi, everyone. I'm not understanding from where I need to start. So, hi. Hope all doing good. So, to start about college, I learned many things from our college. Apart from education, I learned many values, and SRITW, it gave me a lot of memories and good friends for life and very good faculties. And finally, like jumping into final year, there is a lot to share about my final year memories. Like in the starting of final year, like we used to have placement classes like aptitude, programming languages, and verbal, all those things. For 2 months, our college have provided this opportunity to learn, and after that, academics were started. And to tell about me, even after completion of those classes, I used to prepare for placements at home. Like it used to become like a routine for me. Like in final year, I used to manage all these. Like it's common, right? Engineering students are well known for multitasking. So, so yeah, I have balanced all these things, and our college supported a lot. And mm, like not understanding how to say. So presently, like in placements, I have selected for 3 different companies. Um Faculty like TPOs encouraged a lot, supported to participate in all the drives, and our principal ma'am have provided a lot of opportunities for us. She encouraged very well in every aspect. Like she provided club activities. She encouraged in education as well as to prove other talents also. And yeah, faculties, I remember all these classes. I enjoyed a lot in classes, out of the classes, even in like canteen, ground, and labs, etc. Yeah, and I need to give a message to our juniors also. Like they are very friendly. In this lockdown, many of them contacted me, like what are the books to follow, um, like any suggestions regarding placements and all those things. So what I want to tell them is participate in every drive, every placement drive, whatever the job role is and whatever the goal you have. It doesn't matter. First you participate in the placements. uh, After selecting in the placement drive, you will be having confidence, like you can do something. You will be knowing about your worth, so that you can also you will be having confidence on doing everything. And I can't say anything. Like thank you is the only word I can tell to the college. um, yeah, actually I'm missing the college a lot uh, because of pandemic. Last days, actually only 1 month was left to finish the college and to have the final year exams. I thought to make a lot of memories in this 1 month, and the pandemic has come and everything has closed. And recently, I had a talk with our friends also, like to have any Thanksgiving party in our college. Everyone responded positively, but again, with the increase of COVID cases, again closed all the institutions. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, our management, and thank you, college, for giving this opportunity to share our experiences.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Mansi.
thank you.
Mansi, can you say your working status?
Yeah, ma'am. Presently, I'm working in DXC technology as ETL developer. So
Yeah.
from June, it started training, and present I'm into the real-time project working team.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mansi. And thanks for your suggestion to your juniors also. Thank you so much.
Thank
Amulya,
you.
Amulya, can you unmute yourself and speak?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hi, Amulya.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for contacting me.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in this, any degree students are there?
Yeah, actually, if you are there,
Okay, okay, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I am Amulya. I am one of your senior, 2012 to 16 batch and Ghibli branch. I studied in Ghibli branch. Now I am working as assistant engineer in TS Transco. Yes. Actually, our college is very best. That it helps students very well in achieving their goals, and supporting faculty also very much supporting. I want to thank our faculty for supporting me in achieving my goals. That our college library also very good. We can gain very much knowledge from that library. And
Amulya, can you give some suggestions to your juniors? Because why I invited Amulya, because she is your senior. She will be like a guest and she'll give some suggestions to how to settle well in a future.
no, I think all of them are placed in reputed companies through placements only. Our college providing many placements.
Yes.
Yes, but actually, I am not interested in that placements. Because I want to do a government job. So in colleges also, I am not interested in that.
So you are very focused towards your government job itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually my dream is to do a core job so that I didn't go to that side. Actually, I want to give suggestions to PG students because I know in that sector only. What one they actually as a student I also don't know what opportunities are there in Ghibli sector. Actually, when I joined BTech, I didn't know anything about Ghibli because which opportunities are there, which side we want to go. That even minimum knowledge also I didn't have. But actually, at that time, faculty Haripriya madam, through Haripriya madam, I know that through GATE, we want to get. We will get job in PSUs. So that I concentrated in GATE and I qualified in that. What to say means really my suggestion is don't waste your time. Be concentrate on your goals. Definitely will achieve one day. And try to know that opportunities in your sector. If you got interested in core jobs, be focused on that. And my suggestion for Ghibli students, if you interested in core side, we have many opportunities in sector. Every year through GATE, many PSUs are recruiting through GATE exam, and so try for that if you are interested. I thank Shashi sir for supporting and encouraging me in college days. That time he gave so much support, and the remaining faculty also they encouraged me a lot. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, Amulya. Thanks for your suggestions. And as she is your senior, she is working as a AE. So her focus was to be in a government sector from the starting. So she focused in that point of view only. So thank you so much. And still, alumni, you can unmute yourself and you can interact. Rachana, can you? Rachana, Harshita, Ramya, Vishali, Vaishali.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
How are you, ma'am?
fine, Vita.
So, good evening to everyone. My name is Vaishali. I'm currently a graduated person and I finished my training in Shelpo Technologies and I'm preparing for interviews now. So I took some time for spending with my family. So uh, has has my HR suggested that to prepare for interviews down for few companies. I'm currently spending in my home to prepare. And first of all, I'm feeling very tensed because after a long time, I'm interacting with you. Uh, I'm as I'm a diploma student, I don't have much knowledge about uh, what is what is the culture we have exactly culture we have, and what are India, what our speciality, and what are the goals. I don't have any goals up till till BTech second year, but after I entering into the in Sumati Reddy College, I gained lot of experience and lot of motivation due to some lecturers. They encouraged lot. They encouraged a lot and lot of me to and supported me a lot. I got discouraged in final year because I not even placed uh, one company also. So I got discouraged myself. So some of my friends and my lecturers encouraged me and motivated me to move forward. So uh, by the end of January 24th, I got placed in one company. So I'm little motivated by that. I got some strength so that I can get any job. Don't be discouraged yourself by not getting any companies. Be yourself and try to do hard work. You can do achieve and many more to do in anything. And I'm missing lot of you friends and my lecturers too. And my I'm missing a lot my friends because we used to uh, spend lot of time by talking, by taking snaps, and we also sometimes bunk the classes which we get bored, and we used to stay in the canteen itself. And we we participated in many club activities, and we done a short film which motivates, and we given a social message to everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity, ma'am. And also, I'm got very much disappointed, ma'am, in the final year itself due to pandemic. We don't even have any culture. I just attended. I missed traditional fest, ma'am, due to my cousin's marriage. And my last day in the college, that was in the Women's Day, ma'am. That is the last day, ma'am. That is the last day of my college.
Can you share any of your pics that what you used to take selfies so that you will have your memory back?
Yes, ma'am.
If you
Uh,
have your mobile, I will make others to talk. In meanwhile, you can share those photos. Any students, any of you having your previous photos in your mobile, anything you can share, or you can WhatsApp me so that I share here. So that you are, I thought like gathering of your photos too, but we didn't get your group photos too many. That's why we are stuck because you will have your selfies and with your in your mobiles itself. So that Mansi, Shivani, do you have any photos like that you can share here so that you will have a retrieve of your memories.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
you can do WhatsApp me or you can share directly here. You have a screen sharing option. So in meanwhile, if anyone want to talk, please unmute yourself, and if you are restricted that your video mode to be not in a on mode, so just you can have your audio and you can interact with us. My dear alumni, you can interact with us by making yourself unmute. Rachana?
Ma'am,
Yeah, once.
can I share?
Yeah, you can.
Like in WhatsApp, video is not sending.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll make a co-host so that, just a minute.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Mansi, now you can share your screen.
Okay.
No, Mansi is going to share her memories, which she spent a lot of time.
Ma'am, is it visible? Like
Yeah,
screen.
yeah, it's visible, Mansi. Do you have any music for this?
Yeah, music is not getting shared.
No, it's not getting shared.
So how?
Yeah, now it's.
Now it is coming.
Yeah, from first you can play. So she is sharing her memories with her classroom. Is that right, Mansi?
Yeah, total complete college pics, ma'am. Like whatever we have taken in college.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, you can.
ఏ కథ ఎటు పరుగెడుతుందో ఏ అడుగెటు తడబడుతుందో ఏ మలుపెటుగా నడుతుందో తెలీదే ఏ క్షణం ఎప్పుడేం చేస్తుందో ఎవరినెలా నిలబెడుతుందో ఎవరినెలా పడగొడుతుందో తెలీదే మెరిసే కలలు తడిసాయి
Oh, it's buffering, I think.
ముందుకు విరిసే లోపుగా ఎగసే అలలు విడిగా ఎదేనికు తలవది తలపుగా స్వరంలో ఆగిందే కెరంట కన్నీరే ఓదార్పు ఎంతో కొంత చందమామ అందనే తని తగని మిగులు చందగలమా వెన్నెలుంది చాలులెమ్మని వెలుగు పడిన కలగ పయనించలేమా బంధమెంత బలమైనా బాధలేని సమయాన దాని విలువ తెలిసేనా గురువగరు విడగా సులువుగా తెలియని వయసులో పగలూరే తీరాలు కూర్చుని సుఖలమను స్వరంలో ఆగిందే కెరళ నీరే ఓదార్పు ఎంతో కొంత
Yeah, completed.
Yeah, Mansi, it's like very interesting. Overall, you covered everything of our college, and what the photos you took is also very nice, Nana.
Yeah,
Still,
thank you.
anything you want to share? It's done.
Yeah, it's done, ma'am.
Yeah, can you make stop sharing option?
Yeah, here it is.
So still any of the participants, if anyone want to share their screen, their memories, they can. Shivani,
Yes, ma'am, I'm going to share my screen.
just a minute. I'll make you the host. Yes, Shivani, now you can.
Oh, ma'am, now it's get sharing.
No, Nana, just I can see your name, that's it.
Okay. No, no.
Yeah, now it's.
Oh. Can you hear voice, ma'am?
No, still you did not play. No,
Now?
we
Not
no,
coming.
we can't hear.
Not coming.
Make your, check that whether your Zoom is unmute or mute. It should be in a unmute way. Then only we can hear.
Now, ma'am?
No.
No?
Once play the video. Video is in pause.
Pause.
No, yeah, voice is not coming.
Okay, meanwhile, anyone can share once
Yeah.
I'll check it.
So meanwhile, anyone, Rachana, can you? At least audio is okay with us. Nitish.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Rachana, hi.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, Rachana. Can you make your video on just for 2 minutes because of a long time we are seeing you.
Okay, ma'am.
Your friends are waiting for your view, not me. Hi, Rachna. Just now
Hi,
you wake
ma'am.
up.
Hi,
No,
Rachana.
no, ma'am.
Yeah. So share your views.
Shall I
How
off my video?
No, 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 no. You should not off.
I think I became too fat. That's it.
You will be very cute if you will be like that only. No, ma'am?
Yes.
No, ma'am. Madam,
You're
what
looking nice, Nana. Rachna, you're looking cute itself. See, I'm also chubby, so you can continue.
Chubby, chubby.
Looking cute.
Actually, I got corona, ma'am. That's why
Oh.
situation is like that.
That's why we planned this way in online way so that everyone will be in a secure and safe way. Now, how is your health now?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. So in 2 minutes, you can say like presently what you're doing.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
I'll
what's
stop
your
my video. Then I can speak.
yeah, okay, fine. Off your video. Yes, Rachana, now you can.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yeah,
can.
then.
Yeah, actually, I'm missing so much that I miss my college and everything, and I miss my friends very much. I used to come daily college. My friends will ask that why you're coming daily, but I want to see my college daily so that I will come to college daily. And memories are very much uh, it is bad and good. Both are with me. And I'm going to miss my lecturers very much. And I thank college that they were motivated me everything. And giving encouragement, lecturers encouragement and their good words, motivated words. gave me very much encouragement, and I'm going to miss my college very much because of pandemic we don't came to college last days, so I miss my college very much. At least I want to like what farewell is also not done to us, so that I miss my college very much. Thank you for giving me opportunity, ma'am.
That's why can
Thank
you
you.
say your favorite spot of our college where you used to enjoy a lot?
Whole college, madam.
The college
In classroom, especially in classroom.
is still any one of you are interested can unmute yourself and can interact. Nitisha, Harshita, Harika, someone like AA. So it is your platform to enjoy, just share your views and how much you are missing. So it's not restricted like someone should speak. So yourself voluntarily you can unmute yourself and you can speak. If you're not comfortable with video, just make your video in your off mode and you can speak. Still, someone with name MK, Ian, Ramya, someone with Redmi. Your wish that. Kishwani, you are sorted with your video.
Ma'am, the screen is getting shared actually, but video is not playing.
Okay, fine. We'll do with your just view, photos view.
Photos, okay.
Otherwise, can you WhatsApp me?
Okay, I'll do that. That's better.
So in meanwhile, if anyone want to interact, please unmute yourself and interact. Nitisha, are you there? Shashi sir, did you like to say something to our alumni? Shashi sir. Shwani, did you send? So actually, students, we are also missing you a lot, to be frank, because like your batch was like very active batch. Who you guys used to participate very actively in all the events and take the initiation too, and actively participate in every aspect. I have like attachment with you guys in technical events too. That is, we have traditional day, Shritam. So you guys used to be very active and be like a coordinators and used to organize all the things in a very active way. And you guys used to come in a very voluntary way. So Shivani shared me few photos. I'll share those photos. Guys, able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shivani, can you say something about this photo?
Yes, ma'am. It is. We went to tour, Manali tour
Okay.
with our faculty. We enjoyed a lot. Actually, it is a, pandemic time, which is before 10 to 20 days. That's it. If the 10 to 20 days we were there, we used to be there. We used to be there only for 4 to 5 months actually. In train or in any place, we have enjoyed a lot. The faculty who came with us also enjoyed very lot. Only our branch we went to the tour. That is the best thing actually.
Yeah, you are so lucky.
Yes,
This
actually,
photo.
that is traditional day.
Okay.
Traditional day in third year.
You see,
Which was the
guys?
last event.
Yeah.
We used to enjoy our gang, 10 to 12 people. We used to enjoy a lot in traditional day or women's day anyway. We used to participate as a volunteer, as well as we used to enjoy each and every moment, every minute also. uh,
Yeah.
every event we used to come to college. We used to not miss any event. Actually, first thing, that is the main thing. We used to come to college in each and every event. But ma'am, we want one chance. If there is any chance, we want to meet in our college one day.
For sure.
Request, a humble request.
Yeah, for sure. We'll do that. One more photo you had shared me in this video.
ఎన్ని అప్స్ అండ్ డౌన్స్ వచ్చినా ఈ జిందగీ మొత్తం అంతా ఉండేవాడే నిజమైన ఫ్రెండ్. హ్యాపీ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ డే. ఇక్కడ నుండి చిత్తులోకి మారిన సైకిల్ నుండి బైక్లోకి మారిన కాన్వెంట్ నుండి కాలేజ్ కి మారిన నోట్బుక్ నుండి ఫేస్బుక్ కి మారిన ఏరా పిలుపు నుండి బాబాయ్ పిలుపు దాకా కోడింగ్ మారిన ఫ్రెండ్ అన్న మాటలో స్పెల్లింగ్ మారిన ఫీలింగ్ మారిన ఫ్రెండ్ మారిన ఫ్రెండ్ మారడే ఫ్రెండ్ మారిన పేరు ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ ఫ్రెండ్ మారిన ఫ్రెండ్ మారడే గుండెలో సౌండ్ పేరు ఫ్రెండ్షిప్.
Yes, like nice video, Shivan.
Thank you.
Yeah, still anyone want to interact? So then we'll wind up the session because only few students joined us today because someone has some other works. Still anything anyone want to convey? If possible, can you make all your videos on for a 1 second so that I'll take a screenshot of your presence? Just make your videos on for just for 1 minute. I'll take a screenshot. Everyone who are present, please make your videos on for just for a 1 minute. I'll take screenshots. Just for 1 minute, I'll take screenshot. That's it. Still, only few. Okay, guys, all the best for your upcoming future. And Principal Madam want to convey the information to you all the best because she was there till now, but she Madam got urgent work, so she is outside, so she can't herself unmute. I mean, make mask out, and she can't speak. So, guys, all the best. Has a Madam point of view also. She want to convey same all the best, your guys, and make your college proud and make your parents proud. Okay, and where you are, wherever you are, you remember just you are the SRITW guys and you are the SRITW students. Is that okay? And
Yes, ma'am.
anything, if you want any information, you can yeah, interact with us. We are here to help you and make our college also to be in good college. And they need to appreciate they are gems from SRITM, right? So, guys, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
guys.
convey my message to principal ma'am that
Yeah.
2020 passer students want one day to reach college and enjoy one day for one day.
For sure, I'll plan that, and I think Madam was there while you are saying this, so we'll plan compulsory.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
all the
ma'am.
best,
Thank
guys.
you.
Keep in touch.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
bye.
To miss you,
Bye.
don't worry that we are also going to miss you. And you are
Ma'am.
really active girls. Always used to coordinate with us and make every event a successful. Is that
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Thank
Yes, ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you,
okay.
ma'am.
Bye, beta. All the best.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can leave the meeting.